Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm making Qazi date salad. It's Arabic and it's very unique and easy recipe. So it's not very complicated. It's very go-to, like ingredients are very simple. So let's start with me. I'm gonna tell you about the simple ingredients and just collect the things, and you can make it like in like 10 minutes. So here I have pepper jack cheese and some cranberries, dates and some baby spinach. I'm gonna cut the cheese in the small cubes. You can shred the cheese and you can use any kind of cheese like feta or blue cheese. So here are my all ingredients, and I'm gonna tell about this sauce: pomegranate vinaigrette sauce. I added lemon juice and pomegranate juice in this sauce, and I'm gonna add some imli chatni tamarind sauce in this amazing sauce, because this is the secret of this recipe and this turned out really good. So I'm gonna add some of the imli chutney in this pomegranate vinaigrette sauce, and I'm gonna mix it well. You can incorporate some nuts or any kind of other berries, raspberry or other berry if you have or if you like. Now I'm gonna mix all the ingredients in the bowl, and here we go. You can see. Now I'm gonna add some sauce on the top of my salad. You can serve this separately if you like to add more or less sauce, so this is optional, and trust me, this sauce really a game changer for your salad. Amazing. This is it. You can toss the salad and serve in lunch or dinner or appetizer as a snack. This is so amazing, turned out really good. Do let me about the feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more recipes. Follow my Instagram account. I'll be back soon with new recipe. Take care.